Assalamu alaikum girls, today I will be talking about the DIY for acne free skin. The benefits are healthy and glowing skin, youthful and fresh skin, helps reduces acne and acne scars. Use a steamer or hot wet towel to open up the pores for cleansing. Both will give the same result, but I will be using hot wet towel. The ingredients you will need are tomato, rice flour. You can also use powdered sugar, turmeric powder, and yogurt. Prepare for the mask by wearing a shirt you do not mind getting stained. I prefer using hot wet towel for 5 to 10 minutes. Steaming will also give the same result. Hot wet towels or steaming help the ingredients to quickly absorb into your skin, giving the best possible results. The treatment is inspired by a YouTuber. Prefer using rice flour instead of sugar as it can be a bit harsh on your skin. Cut the tomato in half and swirl it in a bowl of rice flour like this and gently rub on your face in circular motion as demonstrated in the video here. The combination of both of the ingredients is of great benefits for your skin. Tomato can restore the glow and enhance the complexion. Rice is anti-aging, treats pimple and suntan, and removes dead skin. After 5 minutes of scrubbing, prepare the mask. Apply the mask twice a week for significant results. Begin with taking some yogurt. Yogurt brightens and moisturizes your skin, fights acne, discoloration, anti-aging, sunburn, and skin infections. Add a small amount of turmeric powder to it. Turmeric is a great natural ingredient that possesses outstanding benefits for your skin. It is a natural healer of multiple skin issues and exfoliating agent, contains anti-aging properties, treats discoloration and stretch marks. You can also use the same mask on your body for the same results. Mix it well, and this should be the consistency of the mask when prepared. Apply a gentle amount all over your face, avoiding the eye area. You can also apply it on your neck or upper back, but you can also apply it on your body as I do if you like while taking a shower. Keep the mask on until it is dried. Avoid talking or smiling because it dries out really tight. Once done, rinse it off with tap water, cleanse and tone. Voila, you're done! Do not panic if you see turmeric temporary staining on your skin. You can easily get rid of it by gentle scrubbing. Do let me know about your questions and results if you try in the comment section below, and I answer and reply to all of them. And thank you so much for watching.